Hey, mission. If everyone that was worrying about Trey's ramp, this is it. That's what you guys were. That's what happens when Florida summers.
I didn't hit it with a sledgehammer. I just pushed on with my foot. The whole quarter came
It's
in.
also super sick because like over the years of Trey doing builds, how many builds are you in the backyard now? Do you like different versions? 3 or 4? Maybe more.
Probably like 5 or 6 at this point.
And this is just 5 or 6 years of trash.
Originally, it was just the 2 6-foot quarters with the 8-foot box jump, hip, and then I had the 2 metal quarter hip pipes and the one in the front. Then I turned the box jump into a step up, and I made this a street spine. Then I took the street spine out, and I made it into a step up, and I did it like this. Then I took that out, and I turned it into a bolt turn, and I took this side out, and yeah. Now,
So underneath all, whoa, these are kind of sick though. Hey, these are useful as hell. Rhino blocks. There you go. Those things are actually pretty useful. A little oil change.
oh my god, dude, this oil change?
Dude, just get up there and just start jumping. It's gonna look at all the trash. Fun fact, Trey used to have a box jump here and Crandall slept underneath it one time and got bit by a black widow.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that did happen. Had to go to the hospital.
Dave got a new vape that he found on the ground at Spider. Whoever's vape this was, Dave is getting great use out of it.
Yep, right now. Again over here. But I think I'm gonna take this whole deck out and that whole deck out. That'll be.
This is from Trey's Dr. Pepper addiction that he's since kicked.
You said you wanted a doorway. That could be a doorway.
Yeah, well, because I'm
3 years
thinking,
sober.
like, I'm thinking like in this. Oh yeah, you'll walk through that. I think like in this pocket, I might just do a quarter that's like this. You know what I mean? Like the coping, because Kelsey wants to leave this window open. Kelsey wants this window open so the whole back of the house isn't pitch black. So I think if the tranny kind of comes down through here, and then I want to do a quarter, maybe like 5 or 6 foot tall right here. So this sliver will be like an open pocket. So I think maybe this will be where you can walk in and out.
See, that'd be sick.
And then so this will be like
This is
5
still
or 6
pretty
foot
good.
tall, and then I'll just roll this in. I don't think I can save this deck. I think I'm gonna have to rebuild the deck.
Yeah, that thing looks.
And that whole thing's gonna have to go. But like if you look underneath this, it's all the 2x and all the 3/4 is off.
Look at that. That's so crazy.
Inside out. Like all these 2x and all these templates are. But I think
Oh, termites.
then that way I can keep. Yeah.
Oh my god. Everything we start taking apart, it's just like paper mache. It just comes apart so easy, but it's just, we took apart this one right here, and underneath it is just like 5 years of Trey throwing extra wood scraps underneath here. So there's like pieces. Actually, like almost tipped it over. Oh my god. Me and Dave have just been like plucking away at this thing, but you go to try to pull it hard and it just like breaks off. It's just literally paper. Hey, with your purse. See? Redneck 4. It's fine. Hey, Trey, we're done for the day. Trey, we're done for the day.
Yeah. Oh, for sure. Definitely.
Swamp Fest over. Still holding on to the chainsaw.
Still doing it, baby. Jesus.
It's just like paper. You think I could just jump on it, it'll break?
Yeah. Like, perfect. Go. Yeah, do it.
Should I?
Yeah.
Do it. Here, hold on.
People think COVID's a joke. Look at this.
up. Here, get it
Dave. Hold my camera, Dave. Dude, put the gloves on. Put the gloves on.
Dude, Jason.
I'll do it. Put your gloves
Put your
on.
gloves on.
You're weak, dog.
You look good.
Lockout, you're weak.
You look good.
You're weak.
You'll never be able to do that.
You'll never.
You'll never succeed at that.
Come on, you got it. You got it. Look how ready it is.
Keep going. Get it. Get it.
Ah!
Now what? Wow.
Yeah!
Nice.
Holy shit, that was a lot. I shit myself like 3 different times. Whew. No gym for me today. Well, I did, but thanks, Dave. We're figuring out right now what Dave is in Harry Potter. Dave just started talking about Harry Potter with Kels. Yeah, Slytherin. I'm Slytherin.
Tournament of Houses.
Yeah, I know we invited you over for a session today, dude, but hey.
Only $10 admission.
$10 admission.
$10 admission.
You have to skate it, though. You can't ride it.
Why am I here? I don't work. I don't work here. You and Mark.
I forgot to film one of those transitions of us not working on the ramp anymore and coming to riding, but we're at Metro Skate Park now.
Metro.
Brian's here, Spencer's here. The rest of them are at McDonald's, fueling up. I think we might go ride a spot first, I'm not sure, but it's cold out. Spencer keeps telling me to stop bitching about being cold, but it is cold.
It's not cold at all, guys. It's like maybe 60. Florida hasn't got cold once.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It's like Florida though, so you expect
You're
like 70,
Canadian,
80.
dude. You're shaming the North.
I know, I really
Come on,
am.
man. The Norsemen.
Any of my family back home that's watching this video, I'm really sorry, but it's not me. Yeah, this weather sucks. It's like misting the coldest mist. Oh, hey, man.
Oh, hi, man.
It's this way. Wow, this spot's sick, Marcel. It's definitely back that way.
No, I have a feeling it's right here, actually.
Update. We still have not found it. Approaching the spot. Didn't it? We've actually been here before in a video, like a long time ago. Oh, the little water before the run up. Oh!
Jesus! Chase the shit out of the puddle. Really? Yeah. That tongue is so far out. They were close.
We
outside.
We're outside. Why are people from New York always outside?
My tires aren't about.
Take a ride! Come on, Jake! Stop pulling it in! I'm not! Holy shit, we're going so fast. Oh! Whoa! Holy.
Surviving channel. Holy freaking crap.
Spencer, is that what your brain looks like all the time?
Holy freaking crap, dude.
I want to paint my house like this place. World's greatest welder, folks.
World's greatest.
The man who created the loop
that's
rail.
A claim.
He's the man who created the loop rail, right there.
Don't give anybody any ideas. You didn't.
Oh! you got it, man. Holy shit. Hey, man, you got it. Yeah, dude. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just got me and the gang hanging out, editing a video right now on the couch. It's pretty much what it looks like every single night when I edit a video at my house. But that being said, super stoked to finally be working on Trey's ramp. It's kind of refreshing. We're doing a Swamp Fest build. We did everything there super sketchy, and now we're kind of like building it legit. We're gonna redo Trey's complete backyard, put the skate light on it that we got from Swamp Fest, and that thing's gonna be dialed. So now we'll have 2 ramps within a mile of each other that are gonna be absolutely perfect. We're going to start getting back to the property. We started working on the jumps today. That'll be a future video coming out. I'm working on my truck a bunch. We've got a lot of different projects going on right now, and I'm pretty stoked on how everything's going. I like being busy. I'd rather be busy than have nothing going on at all. So that being said, we still do have some of those shirts left for the $4 shirts on the web store, as well as some other shirts that are on sale. So if you guys want to support the channel in any way, go grab one of those shirts. If you buy any more than 2 shirts, you're going to get a free shirt. So that's still going on right now. So go grab a $4 shirt if you haven't already. And yeah, see you guys on, what's today? Friday. All right, I'm out.